Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the vertical flicker effect. So initially what we're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then find the vertical flicker effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to elongate it by first adding it to the beginning of the clip and then grabbing the end and bringing it to the end of the clip. Now with the vertical flicker effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to special effects and we can mess with the blur, the filter, strength, glow, range, and speed. You guys can mess around with these to see what fits your effect needs. So let's take a look at it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.